Yo, what is up, you guys? How's it going? It's your boy ZH Comic Art. I recently found this drawing I did when I was a kid. It was back in 2005, and today I'm gonna be redrawing it. Oh boy, I love art. Let's draw something. This is gonna look so cool.
12 seconds later.
This drawing looks so bad. I'm so bad at art. Wait, stop. What are you doing? I'm an artist. I know art isn't always easy. Really? Can you help me redraw it? Oh, okay. As long as you subscribe and you're part of the notification squad. Hit that bell. Okay. Here is the before and after. Wow, this looks hella legit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Here is the comparison of the two drawings. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do more of these. Also, the name of the team I am creating, it is called the Art Line. There's gonna be 5 influential artists joining me. I'm gonna show you guys a short preview of the next video, the collab I'm doing, but make sure you subscribe, check out my other videos. I love you guys so much. Keep those pencils moving, stay on the daily grind. I will see you guys next time.